Whether you're powering a full-tilt off-grid country throwdown way out in the backwoods, lights blazing, amps screaming, or keeping your home's lights and appliances running through the next monster storm in Norman, Oklahoma, OffGridSolar.com has got you covered. With over 28 years of experience in the solar industry, we offer the absolute lowest prices, the very best products, and unparalleled service. Every DIY solar battery backup system that we sell is built with premium inverters, industrial-grade switchgear, and high-performance lithium batteries chosen for one reason: long-term reliability. If you're searching for the lightweight, consumer-grade, high-frequency inverters promoted by YouTube influencers chasing affiliate commissions, you've come to the wrong place. Our 10-kilowatt iron core inverter is built with massive, heavy-duty, copper-wound output transformers, delivering real-world performance that outperforms and outlasts many of the 12-kilowatt high-frequency transformerless units everyone else is pushing. Designed for brutal surge loads and demanding 24/7 operation, it's far more resistant to failure from lightning strikes, high inrush current exposure, and punishing inductive loads than the lightweight, high-frequency alternatives flooding today's market. You won't find cheap bargain bin switchgear buried inside these heavy-duty inverter systems like you will in many of the mass-produced high-frequency units flooding today's market. The Iron Core 10-kilowatt heavy-duty low-frequency transformer-based inverter is built using professional-grade switchgear engineered by Schneider Electric, one of the most respected names in industrial power systems on the planet. Headquartered in Boston, Massachusetts, Schneider Electric is backed by more than 160,000 employees and over 1 million partners across 100-plus countries, and is consistently recognized as one of the world's most trusted and sustainable energy technology companies.
When the utility lines finally quit and every house around us loses it, our batteries carry us right through, doing exactly what they're built to do. I found peace when I took control and built a system of my own. OffGridSolar.com, OffGridSolar.com. You power me. OffGridSolar.com, OffGridSolar.com. My power's free. OffGridSolar.com, OffGridSolar.com. Power on. OffGridSolar.com. Rolling on.
Bring us the best off-grid solar quote you've got, your strongest, most competitive offer, and watch us crush it. We'll beat it with higher quality, longer lasting, higher performance, top name brand equipment, and still deliver a price no dealer can touch.